In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a LinkedIn company page. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is to go to linkedin.com and log into your account. Once here, navigate to the menu bar at the top and click for business. Scroll to the bottom and then click create a company page. Once here, you'll be presented with three options. 99% of you will ideally want the small, medium or large business company page. But the two other options are a showcase page, which is essentially a sub page for an already existing company. So think of that as a subsector within a large company, or an educational institution like a school or a university. So for this, we'll click company. Here, you'll be presented with a few different options. Obviously, under name, give it company name. For the URL below, you have to ensure that your URL is unique. As you can see, company-name has already been taken. And now that we have changed that, we don't have the error message there. If you have a website already, fill this in with your website URL. For industry, you can start typing your industry and you'll be given several options to choose from. You can't write your own thing here. So we'll just pick one. Organization size, choose the one that is most applicable, and organization type, which again, you should know all of the details for this. If you have a logo, you can upload it here. You need 300 by 300 is the recommended pixel size. And the final option is a tagline where you have 120 characters to essentially describe your business/company. So that's a couple of sentences. Once you've filled all this in, you just click, I verify that I am authorized to create the page for the company, and then click create page. And that's all there is to it. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.